You must be looking forward to trading. However, you're also probably aware that your knowledge is still somewhat theoretical. Over the coming videos, we will introduce you to some important terminology that you will be using throughout your trading education and put the theory you have been introduced to so far into context. You can refer back to this video and the article that accompanies it whenever you need to clarify something. Are you ready? Let's go. First of all, let's introduce you to the trading platform. The trading platform is a piece of software installed on your computer, and it is effectively your command center. You will trade using this software by using it to tell your broker what you want to buy or sell, how much you want to buy and sell, when to take your profit if the trade goes well, when to take your loss if the trade does not go well. We will teach you how to trade mostly using the MetaTrader 4 platform because it is robust and user-friendly. However, keep in mind that different platforms are used by different brokers. Most trading platforms offer similar functions, and you should find it relatively easy to adapt to each of them. You can see that this trading platform contains a chart. This is the visual representation of the price action, and we use this for our analysis. It is here that we identify trading opportunities. The vertical axis on the right-hand side is the exchange rate or the price of the currency pair. The time is along the horizontal axis. These are Japanese candlesticks. They are a method of illustrating the price movement, and they tell us a certain amount of information. First of all, the candlestick represents a period of time. If we refer to a 1-minute chart or candle, what we mean is that each candle took 1 minute to form. After 1 minute, the candle will finish forming, and then a new candle will begin. On the other hand, if we use a daily chart, this candlestick will take 1 whole day to form before a new candle begins. Candlesticks can cover almost any time period from 1 minute to 1 month. The candlestick has a body that shows us the opening price and the closing price for that period. This candlestick was going up. At the beginning of this period, the price of the Euro-US dollar was 1.4000, and at the end of the period it increased, resulting in a final price of 1.4080. The color of the candlestick changes when the price moves above or below the opening price of the candlestick period. Any color can be used, and the color is set by the trader depending on their personal preference. Here in Tradimo, we use blue candles when the price is above the opening price of the candle and orange when the price is below the opening price of the candle. So if a candlestick is blue, the price can go up or down, and the candle will remain blue as long as the price remains above the opening price. It is only when the price moves below the opening price that the candle then becomes orange. In the same way, this candle will remain orange regardless of the movement of the price, and will only change to blue if the price goes above the opening price. If the candle finishes with the opening price above the closing price, then the candle will stay blue. Similarly, if the candle finishes with the closing price below the opening price, then the candle will stay orange. Curious about these sticks? They are called wicks, and they tell you the highest and lowest price during the period that the candlestick represents. For example, the candlestick just reached a new high, and you can see that the wicks remain after the price goes down again. So you can see where the highest and the lowest price were after the price retraced from the low and the high of that period.